How to create a new Gmail account. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to easily create a new Gmail account. If you're trying to create a new account, whether it's for your personal use or for work or school, you can just follow these simple steps. First thing first, you need to open up your Gmail application on your phone, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. You will see a list of all of your available accounts on your device, and right at the bottom you will see add another account. Tap on it, and you can choose from Google, Outlook, Yahoo, or Office. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Google, and then here you will just have to provide your biometrics to add an account to your device. And once that is done, if you already have an account, you can add it by just entering your email address or phone. But if you want to create a completely new one, tap on create new account and tap for personal use. Then you'll just have to provide your first and last name. Last name is optional, so you can leave it as it is. And then from here, you are just going to enter the date of birth. So once you enter that, just go ahead and select your gender, tap on next. And here, Google itself will suggest you some Gmail, but if you don't like it, you can opt to create your own email address, so which I'm going to do right now. And once you do that, tap on next. You just have to make sure that all of your characters are correct while selecting your password. So here you can use a combination of different words, numbers, letters to create a strong and memorable password. Once you do that, tap on next and verify your account, and your new Google account or Gmail account will be created. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.